Okay, we'll start off with a specimen of what's called Marcantia. Marcantia is a liverwort, and if you remember, the liverworts are in the phylum Hepaticophyta. So if you notice the growth pattern of this organism, very flattened leaf-like. They're not true leaf structure. You can actually see there's lots of pores on them. Unfortunately, these specimens do not have gemmacups. It's not the season for them right now, is my best guess. You can see a sporophyte here. This is a sporophyte of the Marcantia. And if you remember, with the Bryophytes, what's very interesting in terms of the alternation of generations is the green portion is the dominant phase of the life cycle, and it is haploid. The sporophyte, which you see in the middle here, it's an older one, is diploid. It is temporary. So the sporophyte is the diploid portion of the organism. The gametophyte is haploid, and the gametophyte is the dominant phase of the life cycle. So this sporophyte is the result of sexual reproduction. At one point, there was an archegonia on this portion of the Marcantia that was fertilized, and once it was fertilized, the diploid sporophyte grew from it. Now, moving along to something that is a bit more traditional is a moss. This particular species of moss is called Minium. You don't have to worry about that. And again, this is in the phylum Bryophyta. And much like we saw in the Marcantia, the green portions, you see here, the thallus, is the gametophyte. It is haploid. These structures here on the stalks, and you can see the swellings at the top, that is the sporophyte.
Oh, how you doing, sir?